Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showing you how to use Nextdoor for business in 2025. If you want to connect with your local community and promote your business, this guide is for you. Let's jump in. Setting up your business profile. Create a business account. Sign up for a business account on Nextdoor. Add your details. Include your business name, contact info, and category. Verify your business. Complete the verification process to build trust with local customers. Engaging with the local community. Post updates, share special offers, events, or promotions to stay visible. Respond to requests. Help out by answering local service requests. Join groups. Connect with users in neighborhood-specific groups. Running ads. Neighborhood sponsorship. Target your ads to specific neighborhoods. Promoted posts. Boost your posts to reach more local users. Building customer trust. Encourage reviews. Ask happy customers to leave reviews on your profile. And that's it. Start using Nextdoor to grow your business today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.